Welcome to Aloha Friday with Judy and welcome to the Marina Palms in Hawaii Kai. This marina complex has 54 townhouse units. There are 28 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and there are 26 2-bedroom, 1-bath, or some 1.5-bath. What's really wonderful about this complex is that each of these units has a space on the marina to moor their boats. Another wonderful thing is the lovely green space and the pool, which also has a spa area. So what's going on with real estate here? Well, there is actually one on the market. It's a 2-bedroom, 1.5-bath. It's been remodeled, although these were all built in 1966, some of the older units in Hawaii Kai, but many have been remodeled. It's on the market now for $1.1 million. Hey, anything you'd like to know about real estate or the community, give us a call. As always, we love to hear from you. 808-358-8828. Reach out on social media or check out our website, hawaiishome.com. Aloha.